Hey, it's Rob, Reyff Designs, and I'm going to talk with one of the members of our chapter that actually I put the light on with, and I wanted her to give everybody I wanted her to give you everybody her input on this light.
Hey guys, so I chose the LP6 Pro, which is like a yellow white, and this light compared to the standard that comes on the motorcycle itself is absolutely amazing. I live out in the middle of nowhere and it gets country dark, and this thing lights it up like it's daytime. I absolutely love it. I've had no issues with it, and not even gotten flashed so far, so it's been nice.
And this is a what, 2024 Scout?
Yes. Yep.
Hell yeah. So I just want to put this out there real quick, that with that light you can see a lot more with it. They do have the LP6 DOT light and the and the Shark Demon out there, but with this light, at least 2024 and below, the Scouts, it will run the actual LP6 Pro. So for that's all. We'll talk to you guys later.